Here I have Samsung Galaxy Note 5 and let me show you how to easily speed up this device. So let me show you how to optimize your smartphone. At the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Tap apps icon. Here you need to find and select the settings. Scroll down and choose device maintenance. And here wait a couple of seconds, the device is scanning. The device maintenance is checking the smartphone. Now you can choose optimize now. The device maintenance is optimizing the phone. Tap done. You can also choose memory right here, and the device is looking for the memory settings that can be optimized. So let's choose clean now and let's free up some memory just to speed up your device. Excellent, you just clean your memory. Now you can go back and use your device. Your phone now should perform in a better way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.